Hello everyone, my name is Rafael Iwan with student ID 24109111019. So, in this opportunity, I want to give you mini explanation about one of measurement tools that use at the industrial metrology, that is a bevel protector. So, the first is, what is bevel protector itself? So, this is the shape of bevel protector by Mito Toyo. So the bevel protector is the one of measurement tools that use to measure the angles between two surfaces, that the angles that produce between two surfaces, that if we measure it with bevel protector, it can read angles up to 5 degrees. So the bevel protector is a high precision angular measurement that can read the angles up to 5 degrees. And what is structure about the bevel protector? And we can see together there is 5 main structure of bevel protector. The first is fixed blade. Fixed blade is the blade that fix and follow the main scale to rotate together. And the second is adjustment blade. Adjustment blade is the blade that we can adjust two up and two down for measuring the specimen. And the third is we have blade locking nut. So the blade locking nut is function to lock and unlock the adjustment blade that we just adjust it before. And the next is we have the main scale and vernier scale that function to get the final scale of measurement angles. And the next is how about the working principle of bevel protector. So the bevel protector is working like this. So the main scale is linked with the fixed blade. So when the main scale is rotate, the fixed blade is rotate too. And then we can put the thing that we can measure between two blades, the fixed blade and adjustment blade. And after that we can read the main scale, the final scale with the main scale and vernier scale. So this is the working principle of bevel protector. And the next is how to read the scale of if we use the bevel protector. So how to read is, the formula is final scale equals to main scale plus vernier scale times 5 minute degrees. And then if we do the measurement with using the bevel protector, we have two cases. The first case is if the main scale counterclockwise rotatedly. So the bevel protector shows 0 degrees angles when the fixed blade and adjustment blade has alignment. So when the fixed blade is located at here, so the bevel protector shows 0 degree angles. So when the fixed blade is rotate and moving upward, so the main scale is moving counterclockwise rotatedly. So if the counterclockwise rotatedly, we can use the left vernier scale. So in the bevel protector, we have two vernier scale, the right one and left one. If the counterclockwise rotatedly, the main scale is counterclockwise rotatedly, we use the left vernier scale. And the second case is when the fixed blade is moving downward and the main scale is followed to clockwise rotately. So if the main scale clockwise rotately, we can use the right vernier scale to get the final scale of measurement. And the next is I want to show you the example how to reading the vinyl scale with the bevel protector. And the first is we can determine it how the main scale rotately. Is it the counterclockwise rotately or clockwise rotately? And we can see together the number of scale is become larger at the direction of the left. So the right one is 30 and become 40, 50, 60, and 70. And that means the main scale rotately direction is to left, and it means the main scale is rotate counterclockwise. So if the main scale rotate counterclockwise, we use the left vernier scale. And the next is we can see together there is a zero scale at here. And the first to determine the main scale, we can take the main scale before the zero scale. And this is the line, the main scale before the zero scale. This is a 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and 45. So the main scale is 45. And then, because the main scale is counterclockwise rotatedly, so we use the left vernier scale. And we can see how we can determine which the two line with the alignment, best alignment. So we can see together the best two line alignment is at this. It show the 45 vernier scale. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can see this is a 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the vernier scale is 9 times 5 minute degrees. So the vernier scale is 40 degrees, 45 minute degrees. Okay, the second example is we must determine first how the main scale rotates. And we can see together the number of scale is become larger at the direction of right direction. So it 10 become 20, 30, and 40. So the main scale is clockwise rotatedly. So we use the right vernier scale one. And then the next step is we determine the main scale first. So the main scale is before the zero scale is 40. That because this is 10, 11, 12, 30, 13, 14. So this is the 14 for the main scale. And how about the vernier scale? Vernier scale, and we must determine the two line, the best alignment. So the best alignment is at the 30 vernier scale. Or we can determine it with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 5 minute degrees. So the final scale is 40 degrees, 30 minute degrees. Okay, that's all for me for the mini explanation about the bevel protector. Thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye.